Clap your hands, O ye people. Enter his gates with praise, with your hearts full of thanksgiving. Thus says the Lord of hosts. Clap your hands, O ye people. Enter his gates with praise, with your hearts full of thanksgiving. Thus says the Lord of hosts. We are chosen, we are peculiar, we are a royal priesthood. We are chosen, we are peculiar, we are a royal priesthood. Like the horn of a unicorn, fresh oil upon my head. With him I am victorious. My horn has been lifted like the horn of a unicorn, fresh oil upon my head. With him I cannot be consumed. We are chosen, we are peculiar, we are a royal priesthood. We are chosen, we are peculiar, we are a royal priesthood.